Hey, it's your Wisconsin wine guy. We are in the holiday season. In fact, we are a few days out from Christmas, and New Year's Eve is right around the corner. And as I'm closing out my year with wine reviews, all of a sudden it occurred to me that it's been a long time since I've given you a wine cocktail recipe. So that's what we're going to do today. So I thought about this quick recipe, like what would I want to be drinking on this holiday season? And I came up with this idea using ingredients that I had on hand. Now, what I have here, you don't necessarily have to go out to the store and buy it. You can do the same thing with ingredients you have on hand. So let's get to the cocktail. Let me share these ingredients with you. So Old Smoky. I have Old Smoky Maraschino cherries soaked in moonshine. Whew, that's going to be potent. So we're talking about, what was this alcohol? 50% alcohol on this one, all right? So that's going to be real potent. They've been hanging in that moonshine for a while. Old Smoky. Then I have Western Sun Prickly Pear Vodka coming in at 30% alcohol. Now, this has a little sweetness to it, so if you want your cocktail sweeter, you can just simply add some simple syrup. Half sugar, half water, simmer, dissolve the sugar, and it's done. But I think this is sweet enough. This is coming out of Texas. Then I have out of New Mexico, Gruet Brut Sparkling Wine. Wow, made in the champagne method. Now, this is a fantastic sparkling wine out of New Mexico, and maybe you've had it, maybe you haven't, but they come in rosé. They also come in demi-sec, semi-sweet. So my other ingredients, we're going to have orange peel. I already took some cherries out, and then I made my garnish ahead. I have ice, and I have two different types of glasses. You can be more festive, put it in the flute, or just simply put it in a wine glass, or even a tumbler, which I don't have a tumbler here sitting today, but you use a tumbler and just enjoy and be casual. This is a casual cocktail. So let's start making it. So to this cocktail, we're going to first fill our glasses with some ice. Now, I'm not going fancy with the ice because, again, this is just simply about having fun. I'm going to do both of these glasses here with ice. So this is a nice chilled cocktail. Really great for the summer, too. All right? From now, we're going to do, I got my little measure here. This is about 1 ounce. So I'm going to do 1 ounce, maybe 1¼ ounce. Let's see what we got here. Woohoo. Maybe 1 ounce would be enough in that glass. Let's do 1 ounce in both. Okay, we're gonna go 1¼ in the wine glass. Okay, 1¼ ounce over there. Get that back. I mean, I don't know about you, but I enjoy a good cocktail, especially after a long day. But during the holiday season, you want to really have fun. Wow, nice little sparkling wine. You want to really have fun and share cocktails with your friends. All right? So now, to this, watch how easy this is. To this, I'm going to add my garnish right on top of the ice, top it off with this Gruet. Isn't that beautiful? Nice little rosé color. Top it off. So I'm probably pouring about 3 ounces, 2.5, 3 ounces of sparkling wine. You decide what you want. Don't necessarily give it a stir. Oh, let me show you how I made this garnish, right? So I have my orange skin. Take my cherry, stick it in between the orange skin, right? Take your toothpick, stab it right through. There you go. Very, very easy. Now for the taste. Look what a beautiful color that makes. Now again, I use 1 ounce of the Western Sun Prickly Pear. If you don't know what a prickly pear is, that is a cactus fruit. And I use 1¼ ounce because this glass is a lot bigger. We still get a nice rosé color. You can add more or less, depends on you. Let's give it a taste. Again, as I say, for me, just the right amount of sweetness, right amount of bitterness. You may want a little bit more sweetness to it. The choice is yours. There you have it, Wisconsin wine guys. Sparkling wine cocktail for this holiday season. And I want to thank all of you for joining me all year and the years before and reviewing the wines together. I'll see you next time